Hi, my name is Kristen Dabenko, and I'm a senior PM in the plan stage at GitLab. This is our 14.8 kickoff, and this is for the product planning team. We have a capacity of around 20 points this release, which may shift over the next week as we figure out how much slipped from 14.7. So today I'm going to take you through 3 direction issues that I wanted to highlight, as well as an MVC epic that's being worked on the certify side. So from last release, we have almost merged this planning hierarchy view under project, which is really cool. And it shows a user what they currently have for their planning hierarchy in their project. This sets the stage for making this editable, for showing more options and allowing users to configure work items. What we also just launched is a survey that will show on that page, and it's dismissible. But it will allow customers to give us feedback in terms of how they use planning tools, what tools they're using, and how they want to build their hierarchies in GitLab. So during 14.8, we'll be watching this survey and see how much data comes in from our users. So that will be exciting. We also are going to kick off a new issue, which is allowing you to view your progress bars on roadmaps with open versus close as the count for the progress bar. So right now you can only do it via weight, and each epic will sum the weight of the issues below it, and that is what generates the progress bar. Now we'll have the ability to switch between issue count progress or weight progress. It's going to look something like this. This is the beginning of the design, but by the end of the release, we should have a really easy way to switch between the two. The third one I wanted to mention will be kicking off with design. And this one it's in support of our initiative for saved queries and views for work items. It's the very first test, like an MVC, to see if we can switch a view in GitLab. So currently it can be difficult. Right now you jump around a lot, you're on boards, then you go over to issue views, you're using the left side nav or bookmarks. We want to see if we can get an MVC together that would let you do one thing to switch from a board view with a query to that same query rendering as a list view. So that's the smallest thing that we could do. Alexis is going to figure out what that looks like during this release, and we will be able to kick that off and wait it for 14.9 and beyond. So that's also going to be really exciting. And then I also wanted to mention that we have a big push for this MVC in the certify group, and that is to work on this customer database for Service Desk, the first iteration. So 3 issues are scheduled, and they'll be collaborating with our awesome community contribution team and figuring out how much of that we can get done in this release. So it's an exciting 14.8. I'm looking forward to seeing what the team delivers, and I can't wait to use these features.